I've been using this stuff for over 2 years. I'm not even halfway through the bag. In today's video, let's talk about nutrients. What nutrients I use, how much I use, how long it lasts. So let's get to it. It's called Master Blend. It comes in a 3-part kit and it only costs $35 online. And no, I'm not sponsored by Master Blend or Power Grow. But it's the nutrients that I believe in. I've been using it so far for 2 years, growing indoors, and it's awesome. And it's cheap. Now I just ripped the label off of here and put it on this container that I put this nutrients in. I keep my nutrients in containers like this, little coffee containers. Keep the moisture out. This is a used bag, along with these two that I had for 2 years. Those two are brand new bags, and you can see I hardly used anything in 2 years growing all the vegetables that I grow indoors. So to me, this is the cheapest and the best nutrients that you can buy. You can get this 5-pound kit. Comes with the Master Blend, the nitrate, and the Epsom salt for $35. $35, folks, and I had this for 2 years, and I still have tons left out of that kit that I'm using. 1, 2, 3. I mean, this at this rate, this thing's gonna last me 5, 6, 7 years. And I called the manufacturer, and they said as long as you keep it in the powder form, it has no shelf life, folks. No shelf life. Once you mix it, it has a 2 to 3 week shelf life. So as long as you keep it in the powder form, and this is a 5-pound kit. That's another 5-pound kit. I mean, I got nutrients for 10 years and over, just in case something happens. And I can grow fresh vegetables at home all year long. So, if you're thinking of growing, get some Master Blend. I think it's your best bet, and it's the cheapest, and it works awesome. Who wouldn't want to grow fresh vegetables and herbs right here at home? Thanks for watching.